Hi, Monkey Designs a gasifier. I wanted to show you that that ain't the right time, but the air conditioning's on and running. As you can see. TV, made supper, fed the monkey, who's still eating as usual. And now we're going to step out in the blistering heat to the sound of free electricity. And sometimes neglected to show, I guess, in the last one it was running, was these two things. That point down like that, that's me. That's not the utility. This hasn't been running for a couple hours. So, I want to show you that. Hook up to the gasifier. It's been running real good. I did have to shut down for a while. This barrel, you can kind of see now. I don't know if you can see the curvature of that, but when it gets warm, it implodes. And when it imploded, it changed the water level and screwed everything up and made a mess. So I pulled all that apart. I took some of this, which is PVC pipe, and I had a big long piece of it, and I cut one to fit just the size of that barrel, and it fits right in there, so that barrel can implode maybe a ½ inch around, but it's working really good. It's been running here for quite a while. Temperatures are stable, generator's running stable. So I think what I could do is even go around between this and the actual barrel. Like I said, there's a ½ inch gap with that foam fill. If I even wanted to. I don't know if I even have to mess with it. I'm spitting because the bugs are terrible out here. So this ain't going to be very long, but man, it's hot out here. Temperatures, I don't know if you can read them, 650 degrees Celsius. That's on the top, 700 on the bottom, but that usually tells me that I've got really good temperatures if you sit on the outer edges of it. And obviously I do. I mean, it's running about as clean and sweet as it could. You can see the air conditioner was on. TV's on, whatever. The monkey house has not air conditioning, but fans going, TV, refrigerator out there. So, not too bad. That I can have, what is it, 76 in here? Y'all seem to like it. Since that's what it looks like, we can roll that out. Yeah, so it's about 76. System is on. Cool. And that's Monkey Designs a gasifier. Setting in free air conditioning. Talk to you later.